saying that it feels right.
Here today we're going to be doing a new mini system test with the SXL-EX. So I made myself a little list of what we have to do today with this system, and of course, as usual, I forgot to plug it in, so I need to unplug that, and I can plug the panel in now. There we go. It's hard to get in that outlet. Should use the bottom. I actually have an extender, so I'll have to do that. There's the inside. I did not check that off. That's one of the things I need to do. I just wanted to mention that because the system obviously does work. Same pull stations as last time, but two things that we're going to be doing differently today is we're going to test the heat detector. Yes, I'm going to test it today. And if it activates, oh well, because I have a smoke detector that I'm able to replace it with. And heat detectors don't offer that much protection for this room anyway. In case you're wondering why there's all these spots, it's because we had a leak in our roof, and we will be fixing it as soon as possible. I'm not really sure what we're going to do about the stains, but whatever. There we have the i3, and then of course the heat detector that I just showed. And for the alarms, we have the Wheelock EHS DL1 and the ceiling mount version of it. I forgot the model number. As you can see, power lights on, system normal. So first thing we're going to do is test out the pull stations. So I'll pull this one. They do not sync up at all, and they are pretty loud. Now we will go ahead and do the MS2. Kind of sounds like a true alert. Can't even hear the panel piezo with this thing. It's super loud. Alright. Back up. Now, I want to do this test fairly quickly, so I'm just saying that right now. No, they're all in different zones, so you won't reset. Now, one of these cool things I got for the 4th of July are these, punk, they're like, that's what they call them, they're TNT. They just burn for a while. It's kind of like an incense stick. I really like them. I think they're pretty cool. And we're going to test the smoke detector with it, and I got a hair dryer for the heat detector, so let's get started with the testing of those. Okay guys, so I'm gonna light this. My parents are gonna ask, why does it smell like smoke? Alright, that's lit, as you can see. Now what I'm going to do is just set the camera up so it's facing towards the ceiling. I'm actually just going to hold it. I had problems with this i3, so I'm not sure if it's actually going to activate or not. This is when a lot of smoke should come out of this thing. I'm not burning the detector, I'm just getting like ashes on it. Come on, there we go. That'll just go out once I put water on it. Okay, so I'm going to go put this out, and then I'll blow out that smoke detector, and then we'll test the heat detector. Nice thing about these sticks is, as you can see, I have water on it, but once it dries out, or I could just use this part, I can reuse that again and again. so that'll last a long time. The pack comes with 5, so I have those placed some places in my house, like on my annunciator. So I'm gonna set the camera up again, and then we'll test this. Now, since this panel does take forever, I'm not gonna know exactly when to take the heat off, so it may accidentally permanently activate. Now I got a slightly less girly hair dryer, but let's see. There we go. Okay, let's get this. Trying to film with the front facing camera. I do need to find a new camera though. Now, actually, that plate's not that hot when it activated. That's interesting. And let's see if it'll reset without any problems. So far, nothing has happened. I think it's good. Said wrong. It reactivated. I'll just give it a while to cool down. Regardless, I guess we'll figure it out next time if it's still gonna activate. But for now, let me unplug the system so we won't have any problems. There it goes. And now we are done with the system test, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope my heat detector isn't permanently activated. But that's going to be it for this video, guys. Peace out.